Hey everyone, welcome to a brand new video. Thank you so much for being here. I am sharing my Christmas coffee bar decor for 2021 in this video. I have my coffee bar area cleaned off and just ready to start fresh. And a couple of weeks ago, I picked up this new tiered tray from HomeGoods. It is gold and glass. It is so beautiful. I knew I had to have this when I saw it. And I am using these two white Santa Claus mugs that I got from Walmart a few years ago. These were such a good find. I love them so much. I think every year they come back with a very similar style to this. And then I've got a new little sugar container. I picked this up also at HomeGoods recently. And then I am just going ahead and filling it up with my stevia sugar packets. I had this tiny Halloween sign from the dollar store that I got with the intention of turning it into something else. So I was using it as a placeholder, figuring out if I wanted to work that in, which I did, and I'll show you guys how it turned out a little bit later. And then I have some tiny little bottle brush trees that I am adding. And then I have this really cute vintage Santa mug. And I am adding some peppermint spoons in there. These are also from the Dollar Tree. If you like the peppermint flavor, coffee or hot cocoa, these things are amazing. And then I always like to add some seasonal artwork. So I found this print on Pinterest. I thought it was just so pretty. And the frame I recently picked up from Salvation Army. If you need picture frames, there is such a selection at Salvation Army. I've been scoring so many good, cheap picture frames from there recently. And then over to my sink area, the window, I like to change out my little napkin curtains seasonally. So I switched the buffalo plaid to the green Christmas plaid, and then hung a little wreath up on the window. And I always keep my Scrub Daddy sponges by the sink in a repurposed Bath & Body Works candle jar, and I always switch those out seasonally as well. So I grabbed this festive Christmas one, and my soap was getting low, so I grabbed a new soap from the stockpile as well, which was this Enchanted Evergreen. And then I grabbed one of my wintry kitchen towels and put that out as well. And then here's a look how I made over that little Halloween sign. I just made this little design, printed it out, and added some glitter details. I'm really happy with how this turned out. And then I felt like it was still a little bare up top, so then I added this small silver dish and then put one of my favorite candies in there, which are the Werther's butterscotch hard candies. I am an old person at heart, for sure. And here's just a look at how all my decor turned out. I like to keep it relatively simple with decor on my countertops. I don't like to have clutter and decor that I have to move to use the countertop, so I always keep this area just nice and tidy. And then of course I had to make myself a nice little cup of coffee. I have been using this frother lately to froth my coffee creamer. It just makes it feel so much fancier when you're drinking coffee at home. I hope you are all having a great holiday season so far. Thank you so much for spending a little bit of time with me. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this, and I will see you guys in my next video.